Hey guys, my name is Emil and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight Technology, and it's done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix the unidentified network or no internet access error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So for today's video we'll be using Windows 11. Okay, so firstly what you're going to do is you're going to click on your start button and type in device manager. Okay, you're going to open that up. Okay, this window will pop up, and then you're going to go into your network adapters right here and try to find your adapter. If it's not visible here, you're going to click on view and you're going to go to show hidden devices, and then you can update your driver. If you still do not see it, you're going to go to actions and then click on scan for hardware changes, and once it refreshes you should see it. Okay, so if this does not fix your issue, I'm going to close that. We are going to go into your start button again and type in settings. Okay, open your settings, and here you're going to go into network and internet, advanced network settings, scroll down here, more network adapter options. Okay, you're going to find your internet, whichever it is, double click on it or right click and click on properties. Scroll until you find this IPv4. Okay, do not go into the IPv6, go into the IPv4, double click on that. Okay, and here it should be here, so you're going to click on use the following DNS server address. Okay, and you're going to type in 8888 and the bottom one will be 8844. so this is Google's default network gateway DNS server, so you're just going to use this. Click OK, close and restart your computer, and the error should be resolved. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And I think that's about it, so please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.